Stand. Come here. Oh, not into my face. Right. Look at me. Do you want a pig's ear? Eh? Eh? Do you want a pig's ear? Not so close, man. Come on then, let's go and get a pig's ear. Where are the pig's ears? Where are they? Where are the pig's ears? Eh? Come on then. Oh, let's get a pig's ear. Show me where they are. Are you waiting for me? Are you? Are you waiting for me? Are you waiting for the pig's ears? Oh, you are. You're waiting for the pig's ears. Right. So tell me, where are the pig's ears? Where? Where's the pig's ears? Up there. Up there. In the cupboard. In there. Let's have a look. Oh, dog food cupboard. Dog food cupboard. What's this? What's this? What's this? Right, now you're going to be a good boy because you know you love your pig's ears. Okay, stay there. Now wait. Wait. See the pig's ear? Wait. Leave it. Leave it there. Good boy. Good boy. Leave it there. Okay. Whoa! Pig's ear! Love it! Pig's ear! Love it on my bed! Pig's ear on my bed! I love it! Yes! It's my boy! Is that good? Is that good? Is that a good pig's ear? Is that good? You love it, don't you? You love it. You do.